So this is a randomized controlled trial where we're testing the impact of two different incentive strategies in efforts to induce weight loss among obese individuals. And in fact, one of the strategies is essentially paying people cash money for losing weight. Every kilogram that they lose, they'll get a reward. And in the other arm, we actually give people a lucky draw. And so instead of saying you'll get $20 if you lose a kilogram this week, we'll say you're going to have a 10% chance of earning $200. And in fact, economic theory suggests that the lucky draw or the lottery type strategy should work better. So we're going to test that in the context of this weight loss program. Well, as you probably know, obesity and chronic disease are on the rise in Asia, certainly in Singapore and China and India. As a result of changes in technology and westernization of food, we're seeing rising rates of chronic diseases. And so our broader research agenda is the extent to which we can induce positive behavior change through the use of incentives. And so in this particular study, we're testing two different incentive strategies among obese individuals, and if we find that these work, we're going to try to incorporate these strategies into health promotion programs, into worksite programs, into health insurance design programs. And so hopefully we can find the right strategy or the right combination of incentives to encourage individuals to make healthy choices. Ultimately, NIHA wants to do health policy and research that has a significant impact and that can put Singapore on the map. And so this particular study is a step in that direction. So my ultimate goal is to be able to come forward and say, here's a health insurance design that employers and governments should implement. It has the right incentive strategy, and in 10 or 15 or 20 years, if we roll this out, we're going to have a healthier and less expensive population. And so this project is a stepping stone in trying to figure that out. And so we're tinkering with the right combination of incentives and timing and whether or not to incentivize behavior or to incentivize outcomes. And ultimately, this project plus others that we're doing and others that individuals across the world are doing will allow us to come up with that strategy and put forward a new type of health plan that is going to have the right incentives for people to be healthier long term.